This recipe is one of my favorite easy to make recipes, and it's perfect for making the creamiest mac and cheese that's loved by both children and adults. Using the Instant Pot will make this super quick and even fun to make. Start by placing 500 grams of Elbow Macaroni in the Instant Pot and then add 4 cups or 1 liter of low sodium chicken stock. Seal the Instant Pot lid and cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. The Instant Pot will take about 2 to 3 minutes to come to pressure, and then the 4 minutes cooking under pressure time will start. When the Instant Pot beeps, use the valve on top of the lid to release the pressure manually so the noodles do not overcook and get mushy. When the lid unlocks, carefully remove it and check that all the noodles are properly cooked. If you follow this recipe, most of the chicken stock will be absorbed by the noodles and the rest will remain at the bottom of the pot to help in the next stage. Now turn on the saute setting, and this is when everything gets super easy and quick. Add half cup of milk, 35 grams of Dijon Mustard, a dash of hot sauce, 35 grams of unsalted butter, and mix. The Instant Pot will literally take 20 to 30 seconds to melt the butter, and once melted, dump 150 grams of sharp cheddar cheese and 150 grams of white cheddar cheese. Finally, give the noodles a good mix until the cheese melts and the mac and cheese becomes smooth and creamy. Now that you've done cooking the mac and cheese, let's make this recipe tastier and even more exciting. Put your trusty fry pan on medium heat, and without adding any fat, cook a couple of strips of bacon to your liking, just as you do when making bacon for breakfast. Turn the bacon a couple of times to get full sear on all sides, and if you drop the bacon like me, don't be shy and just use your kitchen tongue to make things right. This sear is what's gonna give the bacon a great flavor, so make sure you raise the heat enough to give the bacon a quick sear, and your taste buds will thank you later. Once the bacon is done, chop it into smaller pieces and save it in a ramekin. Scoop this creamy mac and cheese in your favorite serving bowl and sprinkle some of these delicious bacon bits. For a great look, use a couple of leaves of parsley to decorate the dish, and you should be ready to dig in right away. Now let me enjoy this delicious meal and tell you how it tastes. It's very smooth and creamy, buttery, but the taste of butter is not overpowering the other ingredients. There's also a kick from the Dijon mustard and the hot sauce that really makes this mac and cheese a little bit spicy and super delicious. Please try this recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments below or on Food Basics Reinvented Facebook and Instagram pages. I hope you liked this episode. Please subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bon appétit!